Production.
I was in my mama's crib selling dope to make a living. Wasn't really about that life, but I had to go and spend it. Hate to see my brothers dropping, hated seeing hungry children. Wanted to go and feed the world, yeah, you know that was my mission. Stacking all my bread up, know I gotta paint the picture. Had to run the millies up so I could see my brothers living. Had to learn the hard way, life ain't no rainbows and kittens. If you live life my way, you'll understand the shit I'm spitting. Seen so many things from a young age, I was traumatized. Still remember first night I ever seen my mama cry. She looked at my father, said we had to choose food or bills. Remember looks of desperation, these are things don't wanna feel. These are things I dream and wish my children will not have to feel. So I gotta kill this ration and I had to make my meals. Remember as a youngin' I was always fed these struggle meals. Never knew the difference, it was good and that's just how I feel. Get through the pain, one day we'll make it out and we'll see the rainbow at the end of the rain. I know it's the easy way, put the struggle in, don't go for the gain. Maybe you'll make it big, maybe you want us all part of the game. Small difference matter and you know you can go and break the chain. Know I gotta go and make a difference. Tired to see the way that people living like they living. Tired of seeing people being ungrateful little bitches. Tired of seeing people getting handed down their riches. No, they ain't had to struggle for a damn thing. Remember they was on the block snatching youngest goddamn chains. Hate seeing folks living like this. Hate knowing children coming up like this. Hate knowing kids is on they block selling dope just to make a couple bucks for they mom. It's a joke, it's a joke, but they'll still run up and they'll blow on little kids, man. Where the fuck is our world gone? Know I preach some murder shit, but I really don't. If you really wanna live, take a second from your phone. Spend it with your loved ones and your bros, not the hoes. If you really wanna live, take a second from your phone. Get through the pain, one day we'll make it out and we'll see the rainbow at the end of the rain. I know it's the easy way, put the struggle in, don't go for the gain. Maybe you'll make it big, maybe you want us all part of the game. Small difference matter and you know you can go and break the chain. Know you can change, go and break the chain. Spend some money on the youth, not a chain. Spend some money on you, not the gang. Make a name for you, not for the fame. Take your dreams and pursue. Always got belief in you, knowing you'll make it through. Even if it's just me and you. Get through the pain, one day we'll make it out and we'll see the rainbow at the end of the rain. I know it's the easy way, put the struggle in, don't go for the gain. Maybe you'll make it big, maybe you want us all part of the game. Small difference matter and you know you can go and break the chain. Get through the pain, one day we'll make it out and we'll see the rainbow at the end of the rain. I know it's the easy way, put the struggle in, don't go for the gain. Maybe you'll make it big, maybe you want us all part of the game. Small difference matter and you know you can go and break the chain.